You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Very interesting expression from French and very hard to pronounce for non-French speaker, but let's give it a go, meaning a bullseye in French. So that's, a bullseye. Oeil, oeil, it's eye in French. De boeuf, boeuf is beef. So bull, or it's more beef really, but the expression means beef's eye or bullseye. Oeil de Boeuf, oeil de Boeuf, oeil de Boeuf. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.